Hi everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use the AI Sandbox in Pairaphrase to create original content. First you need to log into your Pairaphrase. Once you log in, navigate to AI Sandbox. Next, on the top left-hand corner, you click the gear option where you can choose your AI tool. You can choose between PairaphraseGPT, Llama, Gemma, ChatGPT 4o, and Gemini. Once you choose your option, please click Save. Next, what you need to do is add a prompt. For example, write a LinkedIn post about the benefits of secure translation software, and then you click Enter. Once the AI generates content, you can ask it to make changes, make it shorter or friendlier, more formal, maybe bullet points, or you can try different models to see different variations. When you're happy with the result, just copy and paste it wherever you need. Remember, the sandbox is for original content, not file translation. And that's it. The AI sandbox makes content creation fast, easy, and secure.